What's up, everyone? I have found a perfect solution for your golfing needs. The MyThingLogic golf storage rack. This is a paid sponsored video and it was sent to me by the brand. Check this out. This is a perfect Father's Day gift, birthday gift. This could be a Christmas gift for the ladies and men alike. I can store 3 bags right here. 1, 2, 3. You can store your golf balls. You can store shoes and accessories on these racks right here. It has 4 hooks that you can move around, kind of put them where you want. This comes with wheels, so you can move this cart around if you want, and it's really easy to move. I've got hats over here, caps over there, and here's the thing that I really like about it. It has this little display area right here where you can put your golf clubs. Store your umbrellas, your golfing umbrellas. If you've got flags, you can store your flags and things like that. You can store, of course, your golf clubs just like that. This is about 51 inches long. It's about 16 inches deep and about 36.5 inches tall or something like that. It has optional feet, so if you'd rather have feet on the bottom instead of wheels, you can do that. But I like the casters because the casters also lock. You can just lock this so it doesn't like roll away, or maybe your garage or driveway or wherever you're at is sloped a little bit. You can just lock this in place. This golf rack is gonna really solve that problem of your golf storage problems, because you're always like throwing bags in the closet, on a shelf, and you always have stuff knocking around. This solves that issue right here.